Christ. The shepherds, they saw Jesus and they were blessed. So the blessing is Jesus Himself. The blessing is seeing Jesus. The blessing is beholding Jesus. The blessing is understanding who now. Ganap na ganap because they were able to see that that is Jesus Christ. The blessing of her Son, Jesus Christ. And according to the Gospel, ang ganda ng sabi to Mary, the Blessed Mother, whose solemnity we celebrate. Mary, alam niyo, ang ganda ng itinuturo ng Blessed Mother para sa ating lahat as we welcome the New Year 2025.